Do you know this quick trick to extracting text from any image in seconds? I'm Kurt the CyberGuy with all your tech tips and tricks and a whole lot more over at cyberguy.com, where you can also sign up for my free newsletter. Our smartphones have made it incredibly convenient to snap pictures of anything in an instant, and they also offer a quick and effortless way to copy text and information from those photos. This is how you do it. On an iPhone, make sure that if you're pulling text from an image, you haven't taken yourself that the photo is saved to your Photos app first. Open the photo in your Photos app, use your finger to touch and hold the word within the photo, and adjust some move points around the selection to cover all the text you want to copy. Tap Copy to copy the text, or select All if there's text throughout the photo and you want to copy all of it. Tap the arrow icon to display more options like Translate, depending upon what text is copied. If you've copied the text, you can now paste it into any other app where you'd like to type any other text. iPhones also have a live text button that lets you quickly translate text, add an event to your calendar, call a number, and more based on whatever text is in your photo. Next, here's some tips for Android. Open the photo in your Gallery app and tap the icon on the bottom right of the screen with a T in the rectangle outline. You can adjust the text selected in the photo by using the blue dot selectors on either end of the text. Select Copy or Select All or Share. There are a number of reasons you may want to learn how to extract or copy text that's within a photo you've taken or saved instead of manually typing any text, which takes time. You save that time and effort by using this hack. Plus, you can send text more easily than a photo. You're also helping prevent mistakes from happening by extracting exactly the text that's in the photo rather than risking a typo by retyping it yourself. To learn other invaluable tips like this one, head to cyberguy.com and be sure to sign up for my free newsletter.